Good music.
As many of you already know, Casey Neistat is a popular YouTube vlogger that in 2016 decided to vlog every single day. If you don't know who Casey Neistat is, just start binge watching here. Now, there are many lessons I could have picked up from watching Casey Neistat. Work harder, tell a great story, family comes first. But the greatest lesson I learned, writing on stuff. That's terrible. The greatest lesson I learned, efficiency. Okay, let me explain. No time. Let me sum up. See, before watching Casey, I really didn't know how inefficient I was. Like, for example, when I was plugging in a USB cable, I always plugged it in the wrong way. Urgh! Have you ever done that? And then I saw this video by Casey, a tour of his studio where he used systems to basically be more efficient. How to charge his boosted board, how to run cables through his office, labels on everything, even where he put items in his studio. And so I started small. I started with the USB cable. So I got myself a gold marker and I started labeling everything. With this USB cord, I labeled all the USB cords so they would go the correct way. I then started to keep track of what all the cables were by using masking tape, hard drives, memory card reader. And speaking of memory cards, I started labeling those, and I also used these old business cardboards to keep track of my formatted and cards that were filled with data. With lens caps, I could never tell the difference between my 135 and my 7200, so I started writing on my lens caps so I could see them in the dark, and I labeled all my lens caps. With batteries, I got obsessed. As soon as they arrived new, I would mark them so they would live together forever. And then I had a system of nipples down, charged, nipples up, uncharged. With flashes, I could never see what group the flash was in. It was so tiny, so I just started writing the group numbers right on the flash. And also, when I had the flash, locking it, sometimes I never knew what direction to turn the knob. So of course I took my gold marker and labeled unlock to the right, baby. Even my gel system had a crazy strap that just would be in the way. I just started putting my own Velcro on there, and I even started making my own filters. Batteries going the wrong way, no longer, baby. And also, the Fuji X-T20 has a big orange dot on its battery. I made my own for the aftermarket, and even put the word up on them because I kept putting them wrong on the charger. So now they always go up the right way. And I even used an old Mac charger cable just to, keep everything nice and neat. So all these little junky dumb things add up when you're working day to day to just give you a nice efficient workflow. Love it. So there you have it, guys. The greatest lesson I learned from Casey Neistat was basically to be more efficient. And so hopefully that helped you guys a little bit. And if you do have your own systems, write in the comment below. What do you do to make what systems do you have that we could borrow and share with one another? All right, see you guys next time.